Hi friends! Many of us find it difficult to learn Indian Constitution while preparing for various exams. So here are some tips and tricks by Study SSC which I hope will help you to score good marks in the upcoming exams. So now let's jump into the video. Indian Constitution. Which is world's largest written constitution? That is Indian Constitution. The Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949 and it came into effect on 26 January 1950. So you have to note the difference. In the question sometimes it will be asked, when was the Constitution adopted? And the Constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949 and it came into effect on 26 January 1950. Which country does not possess a written constitution? UK does not possess a written constitution. There are 12 schedules in our constitution and these 12 schedules can be easily learned by using a trick. We can see that there are 12 letters written here and it is read as Tears of the Old PM. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and these 12 letters represent the 12 schedules of the Constitution. Now let's look what these mean. Now let's see what these Tears of Old PM stands for. The first schedule is represented by the letter T. T stands for territories and the first schedule deals with the 28 states and 7 union territories with territorial demarcations. So as soon as we see the first letter T, it deals with the first schedule and the first schedule deals with the 28 states and 7 union territories. Next is the second schedule. Second schedule is represented by the letter E. E stands for emoluments. Second schedule deals with the salary and emoluments of the president and governors of the state, of the speaker, deputy speaker or chairman, of the judges of Supreme Court and High Court and of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. E stands for salary and emoluments. Second schedule deals with the salary and emoluments. Next is the third schedule. Third schedule is represented by the letter A. A is represented by the affirmations. Affirmations. Third schedule deals with the forms of oath and affirmations of members of legislatures, ministers and judges. So third schedule is represented by the letter A and A stands for affirmations. Next is the fourth schedule. The fourth schedule is represented by the letter R. R stands for Rajya Sabha. The fourth schedule deals with the allocation of seats to states and union territories in the Rajya Sabha. R stands for Rajya Sabha and this is the fourth letter from the top and it is the fourth schedule. Now the fifth schedule is represented by the letter S. S stands for scheduled areas. The fifth schedule deals with the administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes. Here we can see there are 5 letters T, E, A, R, S and T represents territories, E represents emoluments, A represents affirmations, R represents Rajya Sabha and S represents the scheduled areas. So we have learned the first 5 schedules of the Constitution. Next is the sixth schedule and the sixth schedule is represented by the letter O. O stands for other areas. So we can see that in the fifth schedule it deals with the administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes. And so in the sixth schedule it deals with the administration of tribal areas of the northeastern states. Okay. Other areas means northeastern states. So 6th schedule is represented by O and O is denoted as other areas. Next is the 7th schedule. The 7th schedule is represented by the letter F. F stands for federal structure. The 7th schedule deals with the distribution of power between the union and state government. That is the union list, state list and the concurrent list. This is the federal structure. Okay. 7th schedule is represented by the letter F and F stands for federal structure. Next is the 8th schedule. 8th schedule is represented again by the letter O. O stands for official languages. And the 8th schedule deals with the description of 22 languages recognized by the Constitution. How many languages? 22 languages are recognized by the Constitution. So, the 8th schedule is represented by the letter O and O stands for official languages. Next is the 9th schedule. The 9th schedule is represented by the letter L and L stands for land reforms. The 9th schedule deals with the validation of certain acts and regulations. Next is the 10th schedule. 10th schedule is denoted by the letter D and D stands for defection law. The 10th schedule deals with the provisions as to disqualification on grounds of defection. That is the anti-defection law introduced by the 52nd Constitutional Amendment Act. Okay, D is represented by the 10th schedule. And 10th schedule stands for the defection law introduced by the 52nd Constitutional Amendment Act. Next is the 11th schedule. 11th schedule is represented by the letter P. P stands for panchayats. 11th schedule deals with the powers, authority and responsibilities of the panchayats. Next is the 12th schedule. 12th schedule is represented by the letter M. And M stands for municipalities. The 12th schedule deals with the powers, authority and responsibilities of the municipalities. So, 12th schedule is represented by M and M is denoted for municipalities. So, TEARS, tears, OF, of, OLD, old, PM, PM, tears of old PM. So, here the 12 schedules are easily learned. T stands for territories, E for emoluments, A for affirmations, R for Rajya Sabha, S for scheduled areas, O for other areas, F for federal structure and O for official languages, L for land reforms, D for defection law, P for panchayats and M for municipalities. In this page, I have provided the details regarding the schedules and what these 12 schedules deals with. You can note it down if required. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.